Hello guys, welcome back to John's Workshop. This is Workshop Blether number 4 and this is going to be a Christmas Blether. It's going to be quite a short one because it's absolutely freezing out here and I'm trying to look as festive as I can. This is about as good as it's going to get for 2020. So yeah, we're just going to do a little bit of a quick update on the workshop, not a lot really, just one item that's moved that I said I was going to have done, and then Santa's Bean, there's a box behind me. And we'll dig into that and show you what's in there, and that will be the a future video that's upcoming when we're sort of getting into the guts of what's in there. Behind that there's various bits of the rotary table that are in pieces at the moment, in the middle of sort of strip down and rebuild. That'll be a separate video coming shortly. So yeah, we'll just crack on with the Blether now. So I'll just move you and show you one thing that I've done in the workshop, and then we'll crack on and see what Santa's bought. So as you can see there guys, I've moved the whiteboard. So that was on the other side of the garage, it's now here, and I've just made 4 spaces on the lathe just to space it out so that it sits over the wires. So that's now in its final resting place. I think it's in position number 4, but I think that's where it's going to stay. And while we're talking about the board, I've had a sticker that's come in, or some stickers that have come in from Fred's Machine Works over in Canada. So thank you Fred. I've sent some by return, I'm sure I did. I'll double check that, but I'm sure I posted some off. So thanks for that Fred, and we'll get one of those up on the board very shortly. So that's really it for the stickers for this sort of Blether, and also the movement of the board. In terms of the rest of the workshop, there's nothing much really changed since the last Blether, if I'm honest. I've been too busy with the projects, rotary table, projects that have been uploaded already. So I'll just move you again. We'll get on to Santa's little box and see what he's bought me, and we'll have a little look at that and see what's in there. Alright guys, you may guess, I've alluded to it a few times, I know what's in it already. So this is something that became evident during the rotary table video that I did, that I needed desperately on the mill. And it is a DRO. Wow, I wasn't expecting backing plates that solid. That's really nice. So I don't know why that one's sat on its own at the top. Got some packaging, more packaging. I'm guessing that's just going to be fixings in here. We'll just have a quick look. Very well packaged. So these are some aluminium brackets for various fixings of the DRO onto the mill. So this unit, it's Chinese. It's a Chinese mill, and Chinese DRO for a mill, for a 3-axis mill. But this has come from Nottingham in the UK, so there's an importer based in Nottingham, and the reason I've gone for that rather than just going straight for one direct from China was because there's a warranty with it, and there's a UK phone number to ring. They've been in business for 9 years doing this stuff, so if there's something wrong with it, I've got somewhere to go rather than trying to send the whole thing back to China. So I've got my 3 covers there for the glass scales once they're fitted to keep the dirt out. and we'll just have a quick, I'm not going to get the glass scales out, guys, at the minute, until I'm ready to get them out, so we'll just have a quick look in here at the business end, see what we've got. So that's the arm for the readout unit to sit on, the steel box section and cast steel by the looks of it, or is that aluminium? No, it might be aluminium, cast aluminium brackets, and a load of fixings in there. And the DRO unit itself there. So it's an aluminium cast case. That looks very good. Quite pleased with that. Looks nice. So you've got your three ports on the back, on off, power and your power lead input. So yeah, that's it's the make is Sinpo, S-I-N-P-O, and this all up with the scales that are the right length for my X, Y and Z axis was about £360 I think, so not cheap. I could have bought much cheaper just going direct to China, but you know, I've paid a little bit more for hopefully a slightly better one. They've got glass scales, 5 micron accuracy I think, or 2/10, sorry, not accuracy, resolution. So yeah, really excited about this. This is going to transform the milling machine and make it much easier to use. So this will be probably the next project that I get stuck into after I've completed the rotary table refurb that I'm doing. Most of that's in the camera already, just needs editing and uploading. So this will be the very next project that we get stuck into, is fitting this this DRO unit to the machine. So yeah, really pleased with that. I'm just going to roughly box everything back up, and then we'll wrap this up. It's going to be quite a short one because I'm absolutely freezing. So we'll wrap this this Blether video up in a moment, and I'll bring you back just to do that. Well guys, this is it for 2020. It's been a difficult year for many reasons, for many people. And I'd just like to say thank you to all of you who've supported me in setting the workshop up this year on YouTube, and you know, from right at the beginning right up to now, and the new subscribers that come along all the time. It's been a fantastic experience. I've learned heaps by doing what I've done around editing and videos and YouTube and technology, and just general learning about the whole thing, and also in just the, I guess, the community that's out there of you guys all talking to each other, sharing information, sharing projects, sharing knowledge. Absolutely fantastic. So thank you to you all. I wish everybody a very Merry Christmas, and all the best for 21, and let's hope that 21 is going to be a much easier year than 20's been, for many reasons for many people. So final message from me is, you know, if you've got friends, neighbours, family who, because of the current situation, you know, we're finding ourselves in that this year. We've got family that live away, we can't see them, they can't come to us, so that's going to be happening for many people all over the planet. So if you've got people who are sort of on their own, or you know they're on their own, just pick the phone up, give them a call. There's going to be some lonely people this Christmas, so a phone call will go a long way towards making that better for everybody. So again, thank you very much everybody. Really enjoyed this year. Looking forward to 21, moving the workshop on, doing some more projects, building the channel a bit more, and I hope you're all going to sort of continue to support me. It's been a fantastic experience, as I said it before, so yeah, I'll stop waffling now. Thank you very much to you all, and Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all in 2021. Cheers. Hello guys, welcome back to John's Workshop, and this is Workshop Blether. It's easy for me to say. Hello guys, welcome back to John's Workshop. This is Workshop Blether. For f***'s sake. Too much Christmas spirit, I think. Here we go again. Oh, come on. Hello guys, welcome back to John's Workshop.